This poster says, "Where there's soap, there's hope," and "Wash your hands well." This is my do and don't poster. Don't play outside, don't ride your bike, don't worry. Be patient, be kind, be tolerant, be happy. Here is my stay at home poster. And you can draw a flower, a heart, a tree, your house, or even you. It's easy to decorate with ribbon and beads, and you tape them on the back. And the main message: stay strong, stay safe, stay at home. Can you make a quarantine poster in English? Show me your work here. And to get started, let me show you how to make my stay at home poster.